Before I go paddleboarding or before I go hiking or biking or doing anything where I'm gonna be gone for a few hours, I always like to make sure that I have some proper food in my belly to keep me satiated for the entire activity because it is very physically intensive. So today I made a strawberry banana peanut butter smoothie with protein and collagen, and I used the PB2 powder instead of raw peanut butter. Now it's time to go get dressed and get everything packed and head on to the lake. This is actually one of my favorite bathing suits by Lolay. I found it at REI last year. It was 80 bucks on sale, 40 for the top, 40 for the bottom. And I love that it has the zipper because if you get too hot, you can just open it up. Or if you want to stay fully covered, you can. Or, you know, tan lines, open it up. And it's also high-waisted. I really love the bum. And I love the back too, just how strappy it is, but yet how secure it makes me feel. Unfortunately, this was apparently limited edition and they don't make them anymore. I reached out to them because I wanted to get another color in it, and they said that they don't make this kind anymore. So if you know anybody that makes bathing suits, please tell them to make one like this for the fitness girlies that also want to be really cute. I also get so many compliments on this bathing suit. So maybe you even make bathing suits yourself. I'll give you the dimensions of this because this thing is perfect. This is my waterproof bag that I pack with everything I need. I have a towel, a hat, I put my sunnies in there. I have a waterproof phone case holder. Sometimes I'll bring my journal if I want to write on the paddleboard, or a book if I want to sit there and read. But today I'm feeling like I kind of want to get an exercise on, so I'll probably bring my JBL waterproof speaker. Literally the first time I got this and used this on my paddleboard, I was downtown on the Monongahela on a river in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And the first day I got this, I was literally so close to the shore. I was just about to get out, and I was unclipping it to my tether, and I just went out of my hands and it fell off of my paddleboard into the water. I had to dive, looking through the dark, murky water, and grabbed it and picked it up, and it still works. So it submerged like probably 3 feet, and it's still a beast. And that was literally the first freaking day I got it. So I'll put the link down in the description below. Since I broke up with my boyfriend about 5 months ago, I moved up north of the city in Pittsburgh, Pennsylvania. And there's this really amazing park called North Park that's massive. They have a ton of trails for biking and hiking and running. And then there's also a lake and some smaller streams that run through it. So I'm gonna try for the first time ever going to this lake. We'll see how it is and where I can launch. I've been here a couple times before, and this park is absolutely gorgeous. There's so many hidden, beautiful nooks and crannies of it, but never been to paddleboard. This is also the first paddleboard of the season, so I'm so excited to take it out. I'm absolutely stoked to get on it and to just feel myself floating on water again. So that's where we're gonna go, North Park in Pennsylvania. So this is my paddleboard I got on Amazon for like 150, 180 bucks. I have my life jacket, which I always carry when I'm on my paddleboard, just in case, you know, it were to get a hole or a leakage or something and you're stranded and you have this like super heavy plastic thing that you need to drag through the water. So that's why I have my life jacket. I'm about to blow her up and she's an inflatable and then drop her in. This is my handy dandy Outdoor Master electric air pump. It connects right into the outlet for your car via this, and then you can pump it right up from there. So this is great. It does it in about 5 minutes. What I like about this little inflatable too is that it's literally so light. I just carry it in one arm when it's tuned in to 12 PSI. Put on my life jacket, carry my waterproof bag in one hand and my paddleboard in the same. And I even got the camera. It is absolutely gorgeous out here, 80 degrees. May 15th or something. I don't even know what day it is, but we are out here. I mean, this is a perfect way to spend my Thursday. I think we should enjoy every single day of our lives. Lap 3. I hope you enjoyed this vlog style video. I look forward to taking you guys on more adventures and inspiring you to get outdoors, get active, and love every single day of your life, because that is what God had set out for you. Namaste. Not ideal.